I I feel like I want to do things, but your brain keeps dragging you back to your phone, YouTube chats, Instagram reels, or gaming. Today we are talking about chemical that controls all of this, dopamine. What it is, how it controls your motivation, how you can take control of your life by mastering it. Imagine if you could train your brain to enjoy studying, enjoy workouts, enjoy doing odd things. Sound impossible, right? Not after this video. Let's start. What is dopamine? Dopamine is a chemical inside your brain. It's not a pleasure chemical. It's actually motivation chemical. It pushes you to do things that feel good. Eating is a dopamine. Scrolling Instagram is a dopamine. Gaming is a dopamine. Studying and achieving goals is dopamine, but delayed. Is the problem. Your brain always chooses activities that give fast dopamine instead of slow dopamine. That's why YouTube charts feel easier than studying. Fast versus slow dopamine. Fast dopamine, instant reward. Examples reels, junk food, phone, gaming, constant mobile notifications. These things give you high dopamine quickly, and after that spike, you feel lazy and tired and guilty. And slow dopamine, delayed reward. Example studying, going to gym, coding, learning a new skill, working on long term goals. These things feel boring in the beginning, but they make your life 100 times better. How dopamine makes hard things feel hard. When you do too much fast dopamine activities, your brain becomes numb. The normal things, studying, reading, working, feel 10x harder. Fast dopamine brain gets used to high levels. Hard work becomes boring. You avoid it. This is not laziness, it's a chemistry. And the good news, you can reset it. How to control dopamine? The reset. Step 1. Dopamine detox. For 24 hours, cut these things completely. No reels, no gaming, no junk food, no unnecessary mobile use, no porn, no loud music. Your brain will feel bored. That's good. You are resetting the system. Step 2. Every morning, do the hardest things first. Before using your phone, you are training your brain to seek slow dopamine. Study 45 minutes, workout 10 minutes, learn skill, coding, editing, design. And step 3. Replace high dopamine with low dopamine. When you feel the urge or scroll through this study, walk, read one page, drink water, solve a small task. Small actions trick your brain into building momentum. Step 4. Use dopamine strategically. Don't remove dopamine from your life. Use it as it is a reward. Example 1 hour study, 10 minutes reels. Workout finish, 15-minute gaming. Coding 1 hour, 1 YouTube video. This creates a healthy balance. Step 5. Brain effort referred loop. When your brain learns that hard things reward, you become unstoppable. Example, finishing a project gives long-term dopamine. Solving a tough chapter feels satisfying. Completing a challenge builds confidence. Part 5. Science of doing hard things. Most people think motivation comes first, but science says action motivation, not of the way. When you start working, dopamine increases, not before starting. You don't wait to feel motivated, you start and motivation comes automatically. Real life examples. Example 1, student study, brain rewards, habit builds, mark improves. Example 2, gym, workout, endorphins, release, mode improves, you want to continue. Example 3, running skills, long term dopamine, better job opportunities. So, dopamine is not your enemy, it's your superpower, but only if you control it. Before it controls you, if you are serious about improving your life, start with one rule from today. Do the hard things first, and so on. Like this video if you learned something new. Comment what hard thing you will do today, and subscribe for more content like this.